Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are in the factory today and I wanna introduce you some specifications and options of our faceting machine. Faceting machine is one of our best sellers machine. It's a simple and pretty low cost machine, but with many specifications of that machine you can make unlimited jewelry designs. Little Crazy is helping us today. Why we say Little Crazy? Because his name is also Mustafa as our Crazy Mustafa and we have to call him Little Crazy. I will introduce you now 6 different options of our machine. The first one is mini head. The mini head is basically a propeller, but compared to a regular propeller it's pretty small, so we call it mini head. When we are using such a small propeller, the mini head, what will be the effect? Let Little Crazy introduce us. We had a quick demonstration of our mini head propeller. You saw how tiny cuts we can make with the mini head, but don't think the mini head the smallest one. We also have a new product, the nano head. The nano head is just a new development in Bulunmaz and it's basically designed to use our hand tools which we use normally with micromotor. So basically using our new nano head with 3, 4, 5 and 6 mm shank options, you can use all kind of our micromotor hand tools. Little Crazy, please can you change the nano head to our faceting machine so we can have a test with our hand tools how they will look like on our faceting machine. We are using a diamond tool which exactly same as we are using on hand tools with micromotor. So we will see how these beautiful shiny cuts will look on our ring. We saw how the nano head looks like on the product. As you just saw, you can make tiny cuts with that new head that we just developed. And now I want to show you our regular propeller to see how the difference of the cuts will appear. Let's get to the next option of our double head faceting machine. We're gonna work with the U-shaped propeller. That one, what is special with the U-shaped propeller? It's coming with the attachment and When you fix it to the machine, it will be turning around your ring and it will be basically making very long cuts. Little Crazy will introduce us now. Let him fix the U-shaped propeller on the machine. That's a bit complicated process, so I wanna show you a little bit detailed. You have to put first the holder and lock it from the behind of the machine. Just be sure that you fix the holder very well so that you can fix your U-shaped propeller on it. As you can see, the U-shaped propeller comes just around the ring, and as it's making the cuts all around the ring, the lines will be much longer than our standard propellers. Our double head faceting machine looks a little bit complicated in the ring holder part. Don't worry, when you get your double head faceting machine ordered and delivered in your factory, we have a very detailed training by video call or by videos. Our U-shaped propeller is pretty dangerous, so just before you got your machine, the U-shaped propeller, be sure that you contact us and you get the necessary training so you will be safe making your rings or bangles. I hope you liked Bulunmaz U-propeller with the double head faceting machine, and I want to introduce you the next option of our faceting machine, which is named Zetina motor in Turkish and probably something like background motor in English. That background motor is adjusted on the ring or bangle holder of our faceting machine, and the motor is connected to the ring part with a belt, so it can move continuously and you can have the background effect on your ring or bangle. Everything is almost ready. Little Mustafa already arranged all the settings and just fixing the ring over our ring holder, brass ring holder. By the way, you can also order any type of brass ring holders to us, any kind of machine, not just our machines, but you can also order brass ring holders for different brands of machines. Little Mustafa, are you ready for operation?
Yes, of course.
Of course, let's go. The Zetina motor of our faceting machine, the background motor, is really interesting. I want to show you the model. Can I have a look? So you will get the idea how beautiful these models can look. Have a look at here, get a closer look. We just use a diamond tool, but as the motor was moving, it made a background effect shiny with diamond tool. I could complete my ring with inside lathe or side lathes with our lathe machines in the next videos or the previous videos in Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Just have a look, you will find a lot of videos with the Bulunmaz lathe, how beautiful our rings will look like. Thank you very much, Little Crazy. Very nice video, very nice rings. Last option, we want to introduce you the point head, the vertical head of our faceting machine. So we will end our videos. Let's get a close look how you can make point designs with faceting machine on the vertical head. Little Crazy is taking out the Zetina, the background motor, and then we have to move the head. So our vertical head will be coming onto the ring and we start working on a rings to make point designs. Don't forget, we changed the head. This is the horizontal head which we were using on all the first 5 parts of our video, and now the last part, 6th part of our video, we are using the vertical head which is working vertically and making point designs. If you are ready, Little Crazy is fixing the ring and demonstrate you how our vertical head is working. Thank you very much Little Crazy, and thank you very much Bulunmaz Digital team. I hope you liked that video about our double head faceting machine. We are posting lots of new videos in the coming days on our YouTube channel, and even now we have more than 500 different videos on our channel. So if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and find us also on Instagram, because we are also posting lots of new models there. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for video. I hope you enjoy. See you again in the next videos.